Are you doing it? Let me see. All right, paint your fingernail. Paint it. Come on. Paint your fingernail. Here. It's okay. Here. Put it in there. Good girl. All right.
She's painting on fingernails.
Hang on. Let me open it. What'd you do? There we go.
Did he get a good day or a bad day?
Okay.
Here, give me that nail polish.
Constantly Alex
Good girl.
without permission. Putting hands on peers. Tyler.
Hang on. Are you gonna paint Mommy's toes? Thank you. Oh, thank you. She painted this whole foot by herself. And she tried that one.
She painted her on her other fingernail. The one that had her tried this out.
Say bye-bye. All right.